Welcome to Health Solutions. Please like, share, and subscribe.
How to increase buttocks quickly without surgery with Nivea cream. The glutes are an attractive part of the woman, which is why some resort to surgery to have it as they have always wanted. But it is not necessary to require surgery. It is also possible to achieve it by exercising. Yes, the process is not as fast compared to surgery, but it is possible to achieve. If you want to increase the size of the back today, we offer you a simple, economic and safe trick. To everyone's surprise, is carried out with a Nivea cream that you will get in any store, market, pharmacy or perfumery. So read on to find out what you should do. For this beauty treatment you will need to purchase the Nivea cream from the blue bottle. It is one of the most economical of its line and the easiest to get. This product has great benefits that make it a better option than surgery. As you increase the size of your glutes, you also take care of your skin. It is inexpensive. In parallel, it is a treatment against cellulite. You even avoid stretch marks that could appear due to back growth. This cream contains oils that promote the growth of the gluteus. Treatment. It is necessary to carry out this beauty treatment on a daily basis, without exception. 1. In the morning, apply a generous layer of cream on the glutes. Work with circular massages throughout the area and continue until the cream has been absorbed. When you notice the skin well hydrated, you can change and continue with your normal activities. 2. At night, you must make this preparation. Mix in equal parts all omega-3 oil with vitamin E and wheat germ. The proportions should be calculated according to the size of your glutes. Once you get the mixture, apply on the back as you do with the cream Nivea. Massage it circularly until you notice that the oils have been absorbed. When this happens, put on a boxer, tightening panties or a modeling belt that pulls up the glutes. Let it act all night. 3. Next morning, rinse the area and apply the Nivea cream again. At 3 weeks you will notice the results. I ask 3 favors. 1. Subscribe. 2. Share it with your friends and family. 3. Give a like.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.